Hello, elephant lovers! We brought you a rare and exclusive footage of adorable twin baby elephants. Elephants have only 1% chance to have twins. These baby elephants are truly a blessing from nature. The cute babies are living freely in a national forest with their herd of about 12 elephants. The mortality rate of twins is high as they compete for food. The twins appear to be healthy and playful like any other calf of that age. Elephant Mama guides the tender calves to explore the surroundings. Mothers, aunts, sisters, and the matriarch are very important to calf development. The pace of the herd is adjusted so the young can keep up. Calves learn which plants are edible and ways to acquire them by watching their elders. Mothers and aunts are almost constant contact with the young, offering guidance and assistance. It is apparent that all members of the herd have taken the responsibility to protect tender babies. It is a magnificent sight to see the elephants roam freely and enjoy a water bath after a very long dry season. The twin babies are also receiving initial training on swimming. Now it's feeding time to fill the hungry tummies of the twin fellows. Two calves are eagerly sucking milk from the mother. Calves nurse for the first 6 months of life. On average, calves drink about 10 liters a day. Calves begin to experiment with their developing trunks between 4 and 6 months of age by picking grass and leaves to supplement their diet. Weaning from milk gradually follows this process. Calves are not completely weaned until they are over 2 years of age and may weigh between 850 to 900 kilograms. The elephant has the longest gestation pregnancy period of any living mammal. Pregnancy period of the elephant ranges from 18 to 22 months. Elephants can have about a maximum of 4 to 5 babies in their lifetime. They have a long gap of 4 to 5 years between calves, and like other animals, usually only have one baby at a time. These cute babies are truly adorable and a blessing from nature. But they were born into a world full of danger. Threats to the elephants have increased rapidly in the present compared to the past. Especially, they have a long struggle to survive in the face of human-elephant conflict. Elephants are increasingly being crowded out of their habitats. Humans are encroaching these lands for farming and infrastructural development, which leaves elephants with small patches of disconnected land. Human population is surging and pushing ever more into elephant rangelands. When farmers are established where elephants used to be roaming, they become a target for crop radiating by hungry elephants. A year's crop can be wiped out in a single night, creating understandable resentment. Both farmers and elephants can be wounded or killed in the conflict that ensues. This is the major threat faced by the Asian elephants. Majestic elephants are now listed as an endangered species. We should protect the treasured elephants and save them from dangers.